All right, so I'm gonna do a brief episode. I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm gonna show you guys what you can get for $11 a night in Tbilisi, Georgia. So this is my Airbnb. I booked it for one person for 4 nights. The bathroom, spacious, good sized shower. It's a studio apartment. Kitchenette area, microwave, hot plate, water heater, mini fridge, a little view outside of the TV tower on the hill. Unfortunately, that gray building right there is under construction, so you can kind of hear that. Table where I have begun unpacking. Also have unpacked there. Couch, TV, a silk TV kit, which is like either direct TV sort of thing or like a Russian Netflix box sort of thing. My bed where absolutely no magic will be happening. Closet, AC, and then I have a really tight patio, balcony, overlooking everything. So, not terrible for, I think, $11.20 a night. Tbilisi is incredibly cheap, and I could almost live here.